Yes or no? Makukuha ba ang 13th month namin kahit awol? Nag-resign ako kaso ayaw tanggapin. Ngayon nahihirapan na ako pumunta ng office lalo na't may baby pa ako. Gusto pa nilang mag-render ako for 30 days. The answer, ma'am, is yes. Bakit? Please watch the full video. I-explain po natin concisely, direct to the point, and with example. Let's get started. Unang-una, ma'am, ang 13th month pay ay mandatory talaga yan na ibigay ng employer sa kanilang mga employees on or before December 24 of the year. Opo, batas po yan. Kaso po merong mga grounds po or qualification kung sino po yung makakatanggap. In your case po, awol kayo, right? When you say awol, absence without leave. So, nag-absent ka na walang paalam po sa office. That is a violation po sa company policy po kung meron man. So, ang gawin ninyo, ma'am, para mabigay po ang 13th month pay sa inyo on or before December 24 of the year, ito po yung gawin ninyo or what to do. If you find yourself facing yourself an awol situation, it's essential to consult with your employer or HR personnel to address the matter promptly. Employers have clear policies and procedures concerning absenteeism to ensure compliance with labor laws. So, very clear, ma'am, na ang gawin nyo lang po is puntahan nyo po yung HR or employer ninyo, ma'am, and address the matter promptly. Specifically, yung awol ninyo. So, nasabi nyo po kanina na hindi tanggapin yung resignation. Pero, iparender ka ng 30 days. So, yan na po ang gusto nilang gawin ninyo, ma'am. Huwag kayo mag-resign, but mag-render kayo ng 30 days po para ma-clear po kayo sa awol ninyo or may clearance kayo sa employer ninyo or sa HR po. As a result, you will get your 13th month pay, ma'am. So that is a win-win scenario po sa inyo, ma'am. Unless po kung hindi nyo gawin ang gusto nila, hindi kayo compliant sa request nila na mag-render ka ng 30 days, the answer po is no. Kasi wala kayong clearance sa employer or wala kayong magandang paalam or may violation kayo sa company policies po nila. Alright? So hope na nasagot ko yung question nyo, ma'am. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.